How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech. So let's say you lost your Android phone, or maybe even worse, somebody stole it from you. Well, in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily track your lost or stolen Android phone and even erase it remotely if you want to, if you need to. And this process is super simple because you can use any other device to track your lost Android. You can use another Android phone, you can use an iPhone, an iPad, another tablet, a computer, and the device doesn't even have to be yours. You can literally borrow another phone, another tablet, a computer from somebody else, like a family member or a friend, and you'll be able to easily track your lost Android. Let me go ahead and teach you. So let me pretend that this is my lost Android phone. And this process may even work even if the device is turned off. So if somebody actually stole it and turned it off, or if the battery died. So this is really good. So let's pretend I lost this guy right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually get this iPhone that I got from a friend, and I'm gonna track it right now. So what you're gonna need to do is just open up the browser of the device you're using, and it could be any device, as I mentioned, in any browser. And we're gonna go to Android, so just like that, android.com/find, as easy as that. Of course, I'm gonna have that on the screen and in the description as well. Okay, so let's go. And as you can see, we're gonna get here to the Find Hub. And that's exactly what we want. So let's go ahead and sign in. And this is a very important part because we're gonna actually need to sign in to our Google account. Of course, the same Google account that signed in to your lost Android. It has to be the exact same Google account because, of course, the device will be linked to it, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead here and type in my email and my password. Then I'm gonna go ahead and tap on Next. And as you can see, we can already see here on Find Hub my device. This is the Galaxy Z Fold 5. That's exactly this guy, as you can see right here. That's the Galaxy Fold, as you can tell. And then we can easily see its location. We can see here that you can actually play a sound, you can mark it as lost, and you can even factory reset the device if you want to. As I mentioned, depending on your device, so how new it is, and if it's actually updated to the latest version of Android, you can actually even track it even if it's turned off completely. It won't be a live location, but it will show you, like it will be updated constantly and you will see it on the map. If it's a slightly older Android and it's turned off, you'll see right here its last known location. And of course, if it's turned on, which is the case, turned on and connected, you'll be able to track it live. As you can see, last updated now, so you can see it super easily, super fast. And of course, if you realize you lost it, there's no way you could find it, it's in a risky location, and you just don't want the device anymore, of course, you can just go ahead here and factory reset, so then it'll clear all of its content and data, so then the people who actually got it won't have access to your private information. Of course, it's up to you if you want to go that far. Okay, so that's literally it. And of course, this same interface, the same method will work if you're doing this from an iPhone, from an Android phone, from a computer, a tablet. It's the exact same thing. So that's it. Good luck to you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.